Namaste. Good morning, one and all. Happy International Women's Day. Women's Day is celebrated globally on 8th March every year in honor of their remarkable contribution to our society. This day honors the women who have paved the path towards our progress and struggle to take womanhood to a level where it is now. Hello, welcome all to a special chit chat on this very special day with a special person, Dr. Satyadeepa, an experienced, talented, and skilled doctor, a caring mother, a woman achiever, and a person balancing many other roles. Hello, Dr. Satyadeepa. How are you?
Hello. I'm good, thank you.
Happy International Women's Day.
I wish you all the same.
The entire world should thank all the doctors, frontline workers for the support, courage, and sacrifice during the tough times of COVID-19. We are very happy that you have joined us to inspire new generation women. Let us start the interview.
Yeah, please, you can start.
What is your take on celebrating the International Women's Day?
This celebration is a sign of appreciation, respect, love, and care towards women in our lives and in society. In addition, I'm glad that schools and colleges and now celebrate Women's Day. This will instill respect and care for women in the mind of the younger generation right from their childhood days.
The gender base in the society is gradually coming down. What's your comment?
I always believe that both men and women contribute equally to the betterment of home and society. We are moving towards an accelerating time in history where the world accepts gender balance. Things are getting better, but still can get much better if younger generation like you start respecting each other irrespective of gender difference and rise above all this. The world will then become a very good place and safe place to live.
How do you feel about the profession that you are in?
Becoming a doctor is a dream come true for me. It gives me immense satisfaction to be of some use to the society. I feel very happy that I can reach out to many people and help them with their ailments. I always feel that this profession has given me a chance to give back to the society and serve the needy without any gender bias and also educate people about importance of good health.
Who have been your role models in achieving what you have now? What about them do you admire?
I would like to first thank my father for believing in me and helping me achieve my goal. My parents have been my role models. My father taught me and my brother never to discriminate based on gender. He brought us up so liberally. So I feel if every family teaches their child to respect each other, then this world will become a better place to live.
Do you think is enough being done to promote, support, and safeguard women in the workplace or work environment?
Uh, we are indeed still very lucky to be in a place where there is lot of safety for women, but I feel a still lot more can be done. Rules are made but are also broken easily. So I personally feel gender equality education should start at every school, every house, every village. When this is achieved, there is very little scope of injustice against women.
What is your advice or suggestion to the future woman in handling rejection?
I feel every person should accept rejection as a step in a ladder which will let him or her to climb higher. Never feel dejected or never fear failure. Dare to move forward. Even a small diamond becomes more beautiful and precious after multiple polishes. Awake, arise, and march ahead and never fear the rejection.
Is the woman upliftment mentioned in writings are actually being applied?
Um, in the name of development, yes, we have forgotten our roots. I feel very, very lucky to have born in this country where women are worshipped as goddess. But on the name of development, we are forgetting our traditions where women were respected and were given equal importance in society. So, it's high time that we go back to our beautiful scriptures and follow our traditions and live peacefully.
Any of your fond memories regarding Women's Day?
Yes, I have a fond memory. Basically, 2 years back, I was invited by a gentleman to give a talk on menstrual hygiene and health. The speciality of this event was that it was organized by a male, a man and his teammates. uh, Time is changing now. More and more men are getting involved in encouraging and supporting women, like now in this particular program of yours. I'm very, very happy, that one boy is also taking my interview. It's, it is really indicating the times that have changed. Keep it up. Yeah, keep it up.
How important is it for women to lift each other up, and do you think is it happening in the current society?
It is very, very important to support each other. It is like creating a strong base. By helping women around us, we too will gain more confidence. Women's Day celebration is one such activity which really inspires many men and women to motivate others to do better.
Do you think that the efforts put by women as homemakers go unnoticed and unrecognized when compared to earning men?
Uh, of course, in some families, yes, and in some families, no. But on a a larger extent, homemakers are taken for granted. All the chores and the hard work that women do is unnoticed and unappreciated. But man who brings money is appreciated. So I request you young boys and girls to respect your mother and other female members in your family for their great sacrifice. You should take this opportunity to thank them and appreciate your mom who works so hard to keep us, keep you all happy.
What do you think is the biggest issue today? Women of this age facing to those of Easter years.
Uh, See, today's women has to juggle multiple roles as a mother, as a wife, as an employee, as a career woman, as a sportswoman. So many roles. There's such a competition to race ahead. In this process of race, basically we have forgotten to be happy. So my good advice to everyone is to balance all the roles and in the meanwhile enjoy this journey of life.
What do you think is the role of boys, men in fair treatment of women?
Respect. You have to mark this word respect boldly. My only advice to all the listeners is that they should respect every woman in their life, may it be your mother, your sister, your wife, your aunt, or your fellow mate. Please respect everyone.
On International Women's Day, what is the most important message you want to send out to young women thinking about their careers, shaping up their lives or their goals?
Whatever you do, be different, be unique. Don't try to imitate man. Be very, very ambitious, but be persevering, and also trust yourself. Excellence is the best way to defeat sexism, but don't fear failure. Dare and get what you want as an individual who does not let herself influenced by what others might say or think. Be strong and help others and also inspire each other. This is very, very, very important.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much
much for
for
joining
joining
us,
us,
inspiring
inspiring
us,
us,
and
and
guiding
guiding
us.
us. Once
Once again,
again,
Happy
Happy
International
International
Women's
Women's
Day.
Day.
Yeah, wish you all the same. Namaste.